Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my channel. Here we do everything beauty, lifestyle kind of video, hair, makeup, skincare, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe, stay, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. I love you guys. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video finally is my base box from BOXY-CHARM, and this box was lost in my mail room, but finally they found it, and so this video is a little late, but better late than never, right? We're going to be trying all the product in this box, but I'm going to put on the side here, one of the side of my screen, so you guys can see it. All right, so as a talk about each one of the products, I'm going to show you guys a little piece of the clip of me trying the product so you guys know what I'm talking about. So, and if you don't know what BOXY-CHARM is, BOXY-CHARM is a monthly beauty box subscription. For $25 you get 5 full-size products, and sometimes the box price go up all the way to $125 because all the products are from good brands and they are full sizes, which is amazing. And if you are subscribed, you have able to pick, I think, 2 of your products each month to choose what is like the variation that they have. You can pick what you want to have it. And they also have the box, they have box premium, that's $35 a month, and you get up to 175 or more products, 6 full-size products from great brands. And the one thing that I love about BOXY-CHARM is you always get to try new brands and find new products. That's always great for me. I even got introduced to so many brands that is amazing and was out there, and I never was able to come across them, and BOXY-CHARM introduced me to them, and that's one thing that I love about BOXY-CHARM. And they do have other box too. They have like a quarter box, BOXY-CHARM and box pop-up, that every quarter of the year you get a nice juicy huge box full of goodies. All right, so link for BOXY-CHARM if you want to subscribe or just check them out, it's gonna be on the description of this video. So let's get into this video so this video don't get so long. So the first product here, they have the iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder, and I was so looking forward for this bronzer because it is beautiful. I am wearing today, it's stunning and it's huge. Here is the bronzer. This bronzer is amazing. Let me open so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, and here is the bronzer. You see the palm of my hand, so the pen is pretty big, so you carry a lot of product here. And this bronzer can last you a long time, and this bronzer is gorgeous. One thing that I love about this bronzer is it's matte, so it just sits on the skin beautifully, and it's not like it's not orange or nothing. It's just a beautiful shade. I really love this. So, and this beautiful bronzer, Ultimate Bronzing Powder, is perfect to create all over sun-kissed warm or define and sculpt your face with a natural matte finish. You can fake it, just step off each bronzed look all year round. Definitely. This silk powder sits comfortably on the skin, effortless over the pore and fine lines. The ultimate flowerless finish, available in 6 flattened shades, suitable to all skin types, and this beautiful bronzer retails for $35. It's a great price because there's a lot of product here. This bronzer will last you a long time. It is a big pen. Now the BOXY-CHARM is Go All Out. That's the theme of the box, I forgot to mention. And the next product here is going to be Clean Skin Club Clearing Mist. And this mist is amazing. You guys know that I love a good skincare, so this definitely was one of my favorite things in the box. And I have the mist here. I'm sorry for my mess there. I was filming today other video, so I'm messy sometimes. And this is the mist. In this you have salicylic acid, alpha hydroxy acid, beta hydroxy acid, and eucalyptus oil are combined to combat impurity and pollutant This powerful yet lightweight formula effectively reduces acne and breakouts without drying the skin. Mist until clean skin after cleanser and before serum. Alright, I did use these, so okay, so and this beauty here retails for $38. Give them Lala Beauty, the Grow Warmer palette. Say hello to the gorgeous eye palettes full of earthy sunset colored mattes and foiled shadow, including 9 high pigmented shadow that feels buttery soft silk to the touch. Those perfect blendable shadow effortless glides across your eyelids for a long-lasting jaw-dropping look every time, and this palette retails for $42. Give them Lala Beauty. This is such a beautiful palette. I'm going to show you guys what the shades look like. And with this palette was what we use for create this pretty little look here. Hope you guys enjoyed. And that's what the palette look like. It's super pretty and the shades are very buttery and very pigmented and very easy to work with, so it's a beautiful palette. And let's appreciate the packaging because also is beautiful. It's like white with the marble kind of situation here, very pretty. And the next product here is going to be Jacka Black Play Pot. Okay, this is it, but I think that's the name, Jacka Black Play Pot, and this is vegan and cruelty free. Which play pods are cream pigments that can be used on eye, lips, cheeks as cream pigment, and they are super easy and effortless to blend while still offering a high impact pigment with vegan and cruelty free formula. And this beauty retails for $21, and I am using today as a highlighter. You guys can see actually it is gold and pretty. It just kind of blend well with this color theme that I have, so this is super cute. And this was all for August base box. If you guys have any questions about any of the products, let me know in the comments below and I will answer the best I can. I see you guys next video. Bye.